Got it?
Got it. Take your guard off.
Turn it around and then the point towards you. Face the point. Look to the point, no bacon. Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. Yeah, there you go. Swing. 2 thumbs way up. Good work. Play it, Mark. Martin off. Need to close. Hey, did you get that hammer?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, twisted sister. Look at that thing. Look at that gap. Here it is. Do you like it? Well, we're in line and we're level. 70 degrees, 77 degrees, 2 p.m. So, if you notice, here's our footing. See that? And then we have to stay on this line where our string line is. We got a string line here. And then to hit the dirt, to hold our form in place, level, and then anchored to the dirt. So I had to build it out. Some of these are 1.5 inches. Some of those are even wider just to get it from the dirt. And then from underneath here, we'll put a board. And those will be a lot of concrete in behind there. I'll do another. So I forgot to press record earlier, but down here, this is Tapconned in to the concrete, and that's our little post holding our form up here, and that's level toward the house. And then we'll just connect these two together, and then we'll start to wrap up our exterior for the forms. Most of it. All right, so after some tinkering with things, we got our board completed and everything's formed up. Just so you know, on this back end is a 2x12. That's how tall we had to be. The top of our form is where the top of the floor has to be, which is in line by that single stake right there, and that's where we have the top of our form level with across and on around now. So, and we'll have to backfill underneath, especially on this guy. It's a 2x6. So, and I'll put another 2x6 down here to fill that gap. Then we'll put more rock in. So all that rock that's there, pile, that'll go back inside. And I'll have a thickened edge up against where our form is, where the walls will be, like where those rebar pins are sticking up now. That would be that thickened edge. All that concrete's gonna sit on that footing as it goes across there, and where all your weight is gonna be. Is that fun? Is that
Feel the biceps.
a bicep workout? I had run around a lot this morning to get everything prepared for tomorrow. And then I got here and I thought I wanted to rent this plate tamper. That'd be the motorized version of what he's doing. A little heavier, so it just packs it down more. So by all means, get one of those. But for about 300 square feet, we'll be okay. You about done? It's looking good. Nice and struck off. Yeah, it's like a Zen garden, you know what I mean?
There's no Zen happening here.
They call this guy the spin screed. So he'll go across when we put concrete in, and we'll use that to level out the concrete. And so when we stick our level and we level across on our screed board, which is pretty true, it shows that we're level.
Can you get that on camera?
Come to you. Come to you. 7 p.m. All right. So we got all of those big gaps filled way down on. Okay. And then we got level rock struck off, allow for our concrete.